Hi everyone! Welcome back to InDesign Craft channel. Today, I will show you some tips and tricks for perfecting your crochet projects. In this video, I will show how to create a perfect stripe in your crochet piece. This method is just an option. If you're a perfectionist, it can be very therapeutic for you. Here, I'll demonstrate the general way of changing the color in the next round. To end this round with a slip stitch, insert the hook into both loops, yarn under, pull the yarn through the stitch, and then through the loop on your hook too. Now pick up the yarn color that you want to switch to, yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. Hold both yarn ends tightly. Then you can start crocheting with new yarn. Start with a chain, then single crochet in every stitches. This is the general method for changing colors in the next round. It will create a jagged stripe in your work. Now I'll show how to crochet the straight stripe between two colors. Take the new color yarn and pull the new color yarn through the loop on your hook. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Switch hand to hold the yarn tail. Yarn under with the old color. Switch hand to hold the yarn tail. Pick the new color, yarn over, and pull out the yarn through both loops to complete a single crochet. Let's try again. Insert your hook into both loop, switch hand to hold the purple yarn. Pick up the green yarn. Yarn under, pull out the yarn from both loop. Switch hand to hold the green yarn. Pick the purple yarn. Yarn over and pull out the yarn through both loop on your hook to complete a single crochet. Repeat these steps consistently at the end of each row or round to create straight, even stripes alternating between the two colors in your crochet project. When finish a round, make a slip stitch with purple yarn. After that, you can cut off the green yarn. Here, you have a straight purple color line in your works. Then use purple yarn to continue crochet in next round. Having a slip stitch at the end of the round and starting with a chain are important steps to ensure you have straight stripes in your work. You can refer to my previous video on mastering the slip stitch at round ends for detailed instructions. By following these steps, you can achieve neat and straight stripes between two colors in your crochet work. Adjust the stitch and pattern as needed, based on your specific project requirements. Today's tutorial is about how to change colors in a perfect striped line. I hope this technique will help improve your future crochet projects and make your crochet work more polished. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.